welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. This one is for my January just base subscription box, which I would argue I think I got better stuff in than the premium box, but that's just my opinion. So anyways, this is also the one that I got my welcome gift in, even though they did also send that December one, but whatevs. So we have our little list of the things that I got. The theme for this month is a fresh start, which makes sense, being a new year. But yes, my freebie sign-up gift was the iconic London Blaze Chaser face palette. It's got velvet powders, highlighter, and intense highlighter. Yeah, I know. So just covering the mirror to not blind ya. But yeah, those are the colors in there. I initially thought some of those could be cool as, like, eyeshadows. But then it says, if product gets into eyes, rinse well with water immediately. I'm like, oh, never mind. So, I don't know. But given that was just like a free sign-up gift, whatever. So, I'm sure I'll find something to do with it. So anyway, getting into the actual box itself. The star of the show that I could not believe my luck that I actually got. I saw this as like a teaser because unlike Ipsy, you don't get to see what's in your box before you get it. So, this is the Violet Voss Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. Now, as a Davy Jones fan, let us not forget the song he wrote, and was like the only song he could like really play on guitar on stage was I'll Love You Forever, so I'll love you forever. I was like, oh my god, it's so perfect. It's even almost like the shade of green that he painted the walls in his house, and oh my god! I need to shut up, I know. But anyways, so this retails for $34, and it says, it's also a new launch, by the way. So this palette was designed with universally flattering olives and hues that complement one another flawlessly. It's packed with the most luxe formulas in creamy mattes, mesmerizing metallics, and impactful foils. Achieve endless eyeshadow looks from a modern soft sultry to a seductive olive smoky eye that will have them green with envy. And I'm like, ooh. I am honestly so in love with this on every possible level. You have no idea, guys. No idea. So let me show you the colors, and I'll read you the names. Look how freaking pretty they are, though. I'm like, oh my god, I can't wait to start playing with it. So, our color names are Olive Me, Olive You, Juicy, Wishful, Wink, Major Spotlight, Charmed, Endless Desire, Lovebird, Infinity, Infatuated, and Olive Glow. So, there's that. But I'm just like, the fact that just the name of the palette, I am not over it. I am so not over it. I'm just like, yes, it's just by chance. Very first box with them, and I get that. I'm like, yep, okay, you earned your keep, Boxy, you earned your keep. I also got the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. This retails for $38, so my goodness. I saw a lot of people really wanted to get this that didn't, so I was like, ooh, I lucked out. I was one of the ones that got it. So it's an oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. And it has papaya and moringa in it, so it probably smells really good. I'm not gonna, like, open the actual jar till I'm ready to use it, because as soon as you do that, the clock is ticking. But I'm working on using up some other moisturizers first, so. But still, not a bad size, just saying. Nice glass jar, I'm a happy camper. So we got that. We've already surpassed what I paid for the subscription in the values. I was also really happy I actually got this. This is the Seraphim Botanicals Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask, which retails for $25 for this one little lip mask. Boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, plus jojoba and rosehip oils that work synergistically to keep lips chapped-free, soothed, and plumped all at once. It's made with green apple and pineapple extracts to help rid lips of unsightly dead skin cells and fine lines. We all know I love this brand anyway, so I'm like, ooh, yes, look at this. That's so cool. That's so freaking cool. So yes, cannot wait to start using that one into the lip products to be reviewed pile. We have this from Kaveen Studio, and it's the Dragon Duo, which retails for $28. Modern day Boss Babe approved. With an inky black pigmentation and a semi-waterproof formula, choose your look using the Dragon Duo. Use Dragon Eyeliner or liquid for smudge-proof symmetrical wings, or Dragon Liner pencil for a softer look or a smoky eye. Created for beginners, loved by pros. So, I definitely would not call myself a pro when it comes to eyeliner, but I do enjoy it, especially when it's black. So, I also like that the Kaveen logo kind of looks like the band Queen's logo, just saying. Just saying. So, yep, that's the pencil. Just looks like your standard gel-type pencil. Careful, careful. Alright, and then the liquid one's a little chubbier. Oh, it's cute. And it's got that logo all over this. And it's a nice pen. Okay. Can't complain. And then, what has got to be the bougiest micellar water I have ever seen in my life, much less owned. This retails for $90 Not gonna lie, I am perfectly fine with my micellar water that I buy for like $8 or $9 at like the drugstore. But I mean, I will happily use this bougie ass micellar water. And it's like shake a shake a shake a shake a shake. It's biphase. And it'll separate again. But it totally reminds me of like those water and oil toys from like the 70s or 80s that my mom used to have that I used to play with. My goodness. But yeah, so this is the Avant Skincare Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. Infused with replenishing ingredients, Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water presents an oil phase aimed to instantly dissolve resilient and waterproof makeup, and a micellar water phase working to capture impurities. It dissolves makeup without rubbing or rinsing. Yeah, I'll believe that when I see it, because even the ones designed for waterproof, I still have to rub at least a little bit to get stuff to come off. But we'll see. But still, even if I fall madly in love with it, $90 fucking! I am not paying $90 to get another bottle of it, so I'll enjoy what I've got, but I would never in a million freaking years even think about paying that for freaking micellar water that I can get for like a few bucks at the drugstore. Yeah, it won't be bougie like that, but I mean, if it works, it's good enough for me. So anyways, that's why I got my January base box from Boxycharm. Gotta say, I'm very impressed so far with them. So anyways, that is it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to, click subscribe. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, not my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. Are you a Boxycharm member? If so, what did you get in your January box? Let me know that, as well as anything at all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, until next time, bye-bye.